Okay, let's get busy. What? Hey, what are y'all doing in here? Oh, did you guys come because you knew that my garage is in dire need of a deep clean, a redo, a makeover, whatever you want to call it? Is that why y'all are here? All right, good. Welcome back, and if you're new here, you've come to the right place for all things homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood. And in today's video, I'm going to be redoing my garage. I'm going to be cleaning it up. We're going to be donating things, getting rid of things, doing laundry, all those things, because we have waited entirely too long to get this job done. So let's jump right in. Okay, so as you can see, it is a mess in here, and that is an understatement, but that's okay because we're going to get it done. So we moved in here in this house last year in June, the end of June. And this is the first time I've ever had a garage because we've only ever lived in apartments. So I've never had this much space to store nonsense. And so that's what I did. I stored nonsense in here. The rest of this stuff, I just haven't gone through. So I don't even know if we need, I feel like we don't need it because we've been living without it for over 6 months now. This is also our laundry room. There's a bunch of clothes out here. There's still bags of clothes that I haven't gone through, and a lot of it just needs to be donated. I know that I cannot be the only one with a garage that is just like you don't even want to be in it. And if I am, that's fine. We're going to get it done together. My plan is to attack this in sections. And so these videos will be a series. So the one that you're watching today is part 1. And then I will try to post an update, like a new part every week. So you guys will be able to follow along as we get it done. Our end goal is to set this garage up as a playroom for the kids. There's plenty of space. We have no plans of parking the car in here. We have a 5-car driveway. So like it doesn't really matter. I have like the foam padded flooring that I want to put down, and I want the kids to be able to come out here and play. So that way we can free up space in the living room because that's where all my son's toys are. Once we get this done, she's going to be looking real nice. So I'm excited. We want to put like a couch out here, like a nugget couch for the kids to have a good time and just come out here, play, chill, and relax. We do have a TV we are thinking about putting up out here. Not positive, but either way, it's going to be great, and we are going to film all of that. So I'm excited for you guys to jump on this journey with us.
My mind is a minefield. Watch your step, that's not a threat, no. My heart is a house of cards. They had those shaky hands, they let me fall.
I'm literally 15 minutes in, and I feel like I'm having an existential crisis because I am very much overwhelmed, and there's just like so much to do. But I'm just pacing myself. I am going to get this done, so it's okay to have like a moment of doubt because that's what I'm having right now. But I know that it's gonna work itself out because I'm very much a instant gratification type of person. So when I'm doing something, like if I can't get it done almost immediately, or like it's not looking the way that I want to immediately, I am just like, okay, I don't want to do this anymore. So, and I'm realizing that this is not going to be like a 1-day thing like I really wanted it to be, or a 2-day thing. Like this is going to take some time to get done. Whew. So I just had to come on here real quick, take a short break, and talk to y'all about it because your girl I'm struggling at the moment. But the method to my madness as far as the clothes go is to get all the clothes that are on the floor into a bag, because those are all going to get washed. Even if they're going to be donated, they're going to be washed. And then once we go to fold all of the clothes, we'll go through them, set aside things that are going to be donated. So I'm thinking we're going to just focus on getting all these clothes picked up, getting all the clothes washed and dried, and then we're going to have like some time either before bed or just take a whole day, get everything folded and sorted through and then folded. That way we are focusing on one main task at a time. So as I'm telling you guys this, I'm telling myself that too out loud. So, but anyways, I've had my small break. I think I'm motivated again. So let's get right back to it.
And I know it shows, yeah. You keep me on my toes, yeah. Just one more song, yeah. Play it till I'm gone. When I start sinking, all my demons start creeping in. When I start breaking, will you be waiting? Pick me up and put me back together again. You see what I see? Yeah, you could save me. You could save me.
Okay, so I think I am at a good starting point for it all. You can actually see the floor, finally. I was able to sweep. I got all the clothes back here bagged up. All that stuff is gonna be washed, like I said before. Whew. And I think now, so I have some stuff to throw in the dryer, so I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna throw another load in, and then I am going to get busy on folding the clothes and sorting them that are on this table. I put this table here because I thought it would help me be better organized. Apparently not, but that's okay because new beginnings. That is the point of us getting this garage taken care of, because I am gonna be able to use that table for what it's meant to be for. I've gotten everything folded on the table, got stuff hung up, and I have a pile right here that is started for donations. So my next move is I'm gonna put this rack right here. I'm gonna put this rack back over on this side so it's out of the way, so I have access to the dryer. I am going to, there's a load that's in the washer, I'm gonna put that in the dryer, and then I have another load in the dryer that needs to be folded. I'm gonna get that folded, and then we're gonna start the process of doing laundry. All these clothes folded over here. I've got another load, 2 loads that need to be dried, and I've got a load in the dryer, and I have a load in the washer. So I think this is a good point to take a break. Thank you again for tuning into my channel. If you are looking for all things homemaking, homeschooling, and motherhood, you have reached the right spot because it is right here. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified when I post part 2 next week. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.